Hello YouTube, thank you for stopping by. As always, please click like if you happen to enjoy this video. Please click on subscribe, and if you would like to be notified when I publish future videos, just click on that bell-shaped notify button. Additionally, I'd love to hear from you, so be sure to leave me a comment and please share this video with anyone you think might also like it. Alrighty then. Several years ago I bought this inexpensive 115 volt Campbell house filled MIG welder so that I could add an expanded steel ramp and some tie-down anchor points to a trailer that I used for hauling my two quads out to the desert. Then later on it became useful at the local high school where my son and daughter were involved in an after-school robotics program, helping them weld some stuff. After this though, the welder just sat in my garage. At the time, I didn't have a workshop, and the one-car garage that I had really didn't have the room to store things I wasn't using, so I ended up giving this welder away. Since then, I tore down that one-car garage and built a larger 20-foot by 20-foot garage, which finally gave me an area I could use as a workshop. I also started working with metal again, so I bought a larger 220-volt MIG welder to replace this one. Fast forward a couple years and a friend of mine asks if I could swing by with my welder to fix a steel patio chair that had busted a weld on the seat. I really didn't want to drag my 220 volt welder to my friend's house, and he might not even have the right 220 volt outlet anyways. So I decided to ask if I could borrow back this 115 volt welder that I had given away. As it turns out, it was no problem to borrow the welder back, but it apparently wasn't working right. So I had to bring it back to my workshop to give it the once-over and address any issues it had. So that's what this video is about. Let's get to it. Yeah.
Guess who it is?
Tom.
Hey, Bingo. Hold on. I asked guess where Todd is and he said garage. That's why I said guess. He's on the phone.
Hold on just a second. I need to take some earplugs out. I'm with you now.
I'm in Trinity Mesa. You want me to stop by for a second?
Oh yeah, sure. Feel free.
Oh, sweet. All right, I'll be there in a minute.
All right, bye.
All right.
Hey, Tom.
I had to go get some propane.
Oh yeah? You go to Air Gas?
No, I went to that place. Oh, here I only did one so far.
Oh, okay. Is that 3/8?
Yeah.
Sweet. I feel like I'm forgetting something.
The water will tell you if you forgot something. Slag drag.
So I guess the higher temp is better. Good on that.
Yeah, it's going to work. Don't worry, the chair's not going to be this thick. I don't think, unless the guy's like Jabba the Hutt. It's working.
All right. So that should be enough for the chair.
Yeah, remember slag, when you have slag system, you drag the torch.
Drag, not
Drag.
push.
Yeah, don't push.
Look at this.
Slag drag. Well, you snatched victory out of the jaws of defeat, or whatever it is.
Yeah, that's pretty awesome. I was really hoping that I'd be able to fix this chair. It's not often that. So what I thought was a crushed wire transport sleeve was really just a clogged wire transport sleeve. Apparently, after I had given the welder away, it sat out on a screened-in patio, so it was exposed to more of the moisture that was in the evening air than if it had been stored in a closed garage or workshop. Due to that moisture, the steel welding wire corroded, and as the wire passed through the wire transport sleeve, this corrosion rubbed off the wire, accumulated, and then clogged the sleeve, preventing wire from passing through. At my buddy Tom's recommendation, we used the air compressor to blow out as much of this debris as we could, which really wasn't much. And then we took some clean steel welding wire and a rag with some WD-40, lubed the wire as we passed it backwards through the wire transport sleeve, and this eventually unclogged the pipe and allowed me to finally run some softer flux core welding wire through the sleeve and do a couple test welds. I removed the welder from the cart, took it to my friend's house, and was able to fix his patio chair with no further issues. Since the person I gave this welder to doesn't have a garage or workshop, and since it would be silly to store it in their small house, I will store it for him until he needs it. I will fix up the cart it's on as well, since it also needs a little TLC. Okay, I guess that's it for this video. Remember, please click like if you happened to enjoy this video. If you haven't done so already, I'd really appreciate it if you would please click on the subscribe button. And if you would like to be notified when I publish future videos, just click on that bell-shaped notify button. Additionally, I'd love to hear from you, so be sure to leave me a comment, and please share this video with anyone you think might like it as well. Bye for now.